The Little Dictionary.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Little Dictionary. Today we're learning the ABCs, nice and easy. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nurse. O for owl. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for star. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yolk. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching with us at the Little Dictionary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun words.